I heard a lot about it, so got some tater tots. Man, these tater tots are fire. Let me try their sauce. This is like their signature sauce, birdcall sauce. It looks fire. Let's try it out. Mmm. Kind of tastes like Louisiana hot sauce. It's pretty good. I like it because it has like that vinegar taste to it. Let's see. Right. Woohoo! I got the extra hot one. Man, that looks spicy. That looks really spicy. They don't even have no sauce or nothing on it. It's just got the pickles. Oh, it looks like it does have some sauce on the bottom. What sauce has the pickles? Let's give it a shot. Let's give it a shot. Mmm. Mmm. Oh yeah, that's good. I don't know why I expected it to be more spicy. Well, we'll see. That's delicious. Mmm. Honestly, the flavor is amazing. The chicken is juicy. I honestly think it's better than Dave's hot chicken. Man, that's good. Mmm. Oh yeah. That's delicious. Exquisite. Chicken is nice and tender. The flavors are just bursting out. Man, that's good. Y'all come try it out. I'm in Phoenix, Arizona. Birdcall. Come try it out, guys. I'm sorry, guys. I thought that was the birdcall sauce, but it's this one. This is the birdcall sauce. Well, almost spilled it. Man, this sauce is delicious, guys. I think the other one was Louisiana hot sauce. Man, that's good. Come try it out, guys. Birdcall on 7th Street and Glendale Avenue. Alright, guys, so I'm almost done with the sandwich. It's freaking delicious. And I got the extra hot, and it's not too hot. I'm telling you, like the pickles, they balance it out. All in all, I'm gonna rate this sandwich. It's honestly the best chicken sandwich I've had, so I'm gonna rate it like a 8.5 out of 10. It's really good. It's juicy. The chicken is amazing. The tater tots with their house sauce, man, amazing. 8.5 out of 10. That's a review.